What's up, guys? King Shop here, and today I'm here with another Make Your Own Bundle video, and let's do 3 zeros back in the background. Yeah, so let's open some packs, shall we? So first we got 5 pro packs. Let's rip through these. Okay, wow, an 81, but that's in my thing. That's in my whatever it is, scheme. Ricky Seals-Jones, not the best. He's not the best. Second goals. Don't like these. We're not getting any good things. I mean, we did get a pretty good first pack. Ooh, yeah, see, update team. I like it. So it's update team. He's probably like my 4th. He's probably like the dime person, I think. Ooh, a punt returner, even though it's not an update team. That might go for a lot. And we're to the topper. Okay, let's open it. Open pack. Okay. Oh, wait, no, never mind. It's just a present. And now we need to open the present. Okay, now we open it. There's one.
Oh, you're opening the...
Yeah. Would you like to catch up?
No.
Okay. A 90 center. I'll take it. Let's go. I mean, that's not the best, but I'll take it. Probably didn't. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna sell him because I actually have a Smash Mouth, and my captain's a center, so I'm probably gonna sell him. But still, that's great.
Wait, so everyone gets a different elite?
What? Yeah, I think there's a different elite in every one. Guys, Posting Chub here, and yeah. Hope you liked the video. Yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. King Chub out. I'm gonna let this outro bang.
Just another product of